We're looking forward to seeing you soon. If you have any questions about your appointment, you should find the answers in this quick 2-minute video. Payment. You can pay by cash or card on the day. If you'd like to bank transfer before your appointment, let us know and we will send you our bank details. You can also pay by cheque if you've pre-arranged it with us. Preparation. Our technicians will happily move smaller items of furniture, but for your safety and ours, we work around larger items such as TV cabinets and beds. Please prepare your area by removing larger debris such as rubbish and hair clips. Access. You can meet your technician on site or pre-arrange a safe location for keys to be left in your absence. If you have a driveway, please leave a spot clear for us if possible so that we may run our hoses and equipment into your premises. Please advise us if you're in a multi-storey building or somewhere our hoses may not reach. We can make arrangements to have portable equipment available. Pets. Please find a safe place for your furry friends while we are there. And if you're having a pest control treatment, please remove their food and water bowls as well. How long will it take to dry? Allow a few hours at least, but it depends on the fibre type, ventilation, and which cleaning method we use, because we do tailor our approach each time. Cancellations. We understand things happen, so please let us know prior to our arrival if you're unable to make your appointment. If you're wondering about anything else, please ask. You can email us at info@nicethreads.com.au or call or message 0404 494 114. Thank you.